Meaning of ideologically.
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 Ideologically. Ideologically refers to a set of beliefs or ideas, often related to political or social systems. It can also refer to the principles and values that guide a particular group or individual's actions. A person or group's ideology may shape their worldview, influencing their opinions on everything from economic policy to social issues. Ideological differences can lead to significant disagreements and conflicts between individuals or groups who hold different beliefs and principles. Understanding one's own ideological position and being able to navigate ideological differences is important for effective communication and collaboration in both personal and professional contexts.